Welcome to Gazebo Ideas for a picture-perfect outdoor retreat. There's something inherently enchanting about a backyard gazebo. This open-air sanctuary, nestled within the privacy of your own yard, is a place to escape with a good book and a glass of iced tea on breezy summer days, a destination for family meals filled with delicious food, and a spot for intimate chats with close friends and family. Gazebos are also a stunning addition to any yard, offering a variety of styles to match your taste. From traditional gazebos with ivy climbing through latticework to regal silhouettes with elegant columns and modern-day variations with minimalist details, the options are endless. Each gazebo can be customized to reflect your personal style. Picture yours adorned with twinkling fairy lights or a simple chandelier, gossamer-like curtains that sway in the breeze, earth-tone decor, or vibrant and splashy fixtures. Not sure where to start? Let these gazebo ideas inspire you to create your own picture-perfect outdoor retreat. Let's dive in. Today, we're exploring some inspiring gazebo ideas that can transform your outdoor space into a picture-perfect retreat. Whether you're looking for a cozy corner to relax or a stylish spot for entertaining. This wooden gazebo with its intricate design and traditional charm is perfect for those who love a touch of sophistication. Adorn it with climbing roses or wisteria for an added romantic vibe. Imagine sipping your morning coffee here, enveloped by the sweet scent of flowers. Add some fairy lights or lanterns for a magical evening atmosphere. It's an ideal spot for intimate dinners or relaxing with a good book. For those who love the charm of the countryside, a rustic retreat is the way to go. This gazebo, crafted from reclaimed wood and surrounded by nature, provides a cozy and inviting space. No matter your style or preference, there's a gazebo idea out there to suit your needs and elevate your outdoor space. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create your own picture-perfect retreat.